Hey my beauty family, this is VALYA'S channel, and in today's look I'll show you this look I'm wearing, which is a very nice everyday soft glam look, a 10-minute look, easy for you, very wearable for all the day. So my friend, if you wanna know how this video goes down, carry on watching and let's get right into this video. I have filled in my brows as usual with my lovely Maybelline Express Brow Ultra Slim Pencil in the shade Soft Brown, which is a very slim pencil for brows which helps me to define my brows very nicely and easily and beautifully. And especially if you are a beginner, it is very good for you, very easily to wear it. Then I have sculpted them up with my Fit Me Maybelline Retain 20 concealer on the under brow area, and on the upper brow area I have sculpted my brows with my Mon Rib All Day Wear foundation, long lasting natural finish. I have prepared my lids with the same Fit Me Maybelline concealer, and then I have set up my lid with my Mon Rib pressed powder. And now I'm ready to move on to my shadows. For today, my friends, I will do for you an easy look, an everyday look, 10-minute look that you can wear it every day from morning till evening, and you can go out everywhere and you will like it, I think. I only need this fluffy big brush and one palette, my Scanlon 10 color eyeshadow palette, which is this, and I will take that for my cream, which is a light purple shadow. I apply it from the inner part, the inner eyelid, to the outer corner. It is a very nice light pink purple color. Beautiful color. Then I will take this on the edge, which is a very nice shimmery pink color, with my flat brush by Cosmofan number 110, and I will apply that on the lid, right on the lid. It is an easy look, I have told you before, and you can wear it in all the day. And these colors match to almost all the skin types, all the skin colors. I apply that on the lid. On my, I will apply this highlighter on my underbrow area, because we need that to have a complete look. Going to do the other eye and coming back, my friend. My eyes are ready, but I have to wear an eyeliner, although you can leave it as it is for an everyday look, but I want to wear an eyeliner, and I think I will wear my blue liner, dark blue, Precision Eyeliner Blue by Tommy T, with this, and it is very nice. You can use and dark brown, and black, and blue eyeliner, and burgundy color, and you can leave it as it is, anything you want. I can give you some options, either with eyeliner, either without it. It is very good for eye look, for morning look. My eyeliner is ready. As you see, it is a very nice dark blue liner, anything you want. And now I'm ready to move on to my false lashes. In this look, I will wear these lashes, which are long but thin lashes, although always you have the option to wear only your mascara. I will apply before my Vortex mascara, black mascara, and my eye curler, like you see. Apply before my eye curler, and the only way that I apply my mascara before the false lashes is that I don't wear mascara on the false lashes, so I can keep them clean and for a long time, as we always do. We makeup artists, we change our false lashes about in 4, 5, 6 times, but in this way, with this way, you can keep them more time. Going to apply my false mascara and coming back then. My lashes are ready, and now we're moving on to the rest of the face. We always start for our primer, Fit Me Maybelline Luminous and Smooth Hydrating Primer. Catrice True Skin 030 Neutral Sand. I will mix it with my Monrive All Day Wear. One matte foundation, one more moisturizing. It depends on your skin type. I take my Real Techniques 200 and then I apply the product into the skin, and then I will continue to apply it with my beauty blender. NYX Professional Bear With Me Concealer. Taking this flat big brush and apply some on the inner part of the lid, inner corner. On the outer part of the lid, some dots on the nose, on the mustache area, and on the chin. And I will continue with my beauty blender as I always do. Monrive Bronze Skin Tanned Effect Cream. This is my liquid bronzer. On the cheekbones, on the forehead, on the nose, on the lips, and on the jawline. And always I apply this with this angled brush, although you can apply it with your beauty blender, anything you want. I always start with brushes and then I continue with a beauty blender. MUA Blast Liquid Cream Misty Rose. Take this fluffy brush and some of that. It's a very nice coral color. It is at the end, as I see. On the cheekbones, very nice, beautiful coral color, pink to coral. A little on the nose. And don't be afraid, it is a little dark, but then with our powdery product, it will be okay and very nice. And Monrive Interstellar Liquid Highlighter, which I'm gonna apply with my middle finger over the blush. And a little with my beauty blender. Anything that is convenient for you. On the nose, on the cupid bow, and some product on the temple. Very nice product, light and beautiful champagne color. Of course, continuing with our powdery product. Our loose powder, eyebrow loose powder with my beauty blender, which I'm gonna apply under my eye area to set up. Then I'm gonna take my compact Monrive powder to set up the whole face. We have told that we use loose powder for the under eye area and for the whole face, but the compact powder only for the rest of the face, not the under eye area. What else? Bronzing face powder. My bronzer. Over the other product. In the same place. Ageless Blusher Pure Mineral Soft Powder Floral Formula. Blush. A little deep pink. Deep coral to pink, I have to say. Very nice product. Light Me Up 7 Cool. Champagne highlighter. Beautiful. Over the cheekbone. On the nose, of course. In the same place that we applied the liquid product. We continue with our crease color to apply some this to end up with our eye. And on the inner part, I will apply this that I applied on the lid, although you can apply your highlighter, anything you want. I don't use in this look waterline pencil. I will only have my mascara on the bottom lashes. One coat, as we have told many times, only one coat is enough. And the last step, our lips. Tommy Jeans Matte Lip number 8, nude pink color. Everyday look. And Maybelline 942 Blushing Put Matte. My favorite color, favorite lipstick that I wear it really every day. And the last step, our fixing spray, Fiore Vita makeup fixing spray, because we always want to need our makeup look for many hours in the day. Well, my friends, this is my recommendation for you for today. It is an easy look, everyday look, the look that I'm doing really every day in my real life. So, if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Love you, friends!